me.
Welcome. Very happy that you came here.
It's beautiful.
It's a village in which we make
I like
our
the ride.
experiments.
It's beautiful. Wow. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you, man. Let's try let's bring
What is
this
this?
kind of good. You take the bread like this. This. Then you put it in salt. Salt. Yeah. And then you take the local brandy. Welcome.
I'll drink the whole thing?
You don't need it. It's in Russia. Not here.
Okay. Wow.
It's made out of honey.
Oh,
It's honey brandy.
very good. Yeah.
Very unusual. Honey brandy.
Thank you for inviting me. Hit the Red Bull. Thank you.
I'm so happy
I'm so happy.
that you
Honored.
come to the opening of the festival, which defends the values, that you are one of the front runners for this, defending your nation, defending your history, and defending the values of your culture.
I'm humbled for what he said. He asked for the adjust to the schedule because of... No, no. I said, what is he doing? Thank you.
Let us take you to your room.
Thank you.
Soba, Angela.
Angela,
Where you
soba.
stay. Then you will have the guy that will take us to the places where we could see each other later on.
Okay. See you tonight. Thank you.